Welcome back to Cooking with Cardi. It's me, Brent Cardi, your host who has no special training in cooking other than from what I have learned from my mother. Hi, Mom. Today's menu, my favorite meal of the day, brunch. Pancakes served along with bacon and eggs. Pretty simple, pretty delicious. So basically, if I can do it, so can you. Let's get to it. So in this channel, I make things that I've never made before, just to prove to you that if I can do it, so can you. For the pancakes, no, I've never made them before, but I have eaten them before, so hopefully I can cook them, make them, bake them just as good as my mom. As for the bacon and the eggs, I have made those before, but that's just because it's so freaking simple. It's nothing really to it. Throw them on the pan, throw them in the oven. We'll go over that in this video if you haven't done it before, but first, let's get changed. Much better.
The ingredients needed are flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, milk, vinegar, cooking oil, sugar, eggs, bacon, butter, and syrup. The first step is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the bacon. Next, we're going to plop that bacon down on the pan and lay it across it evenly. Now chuck it in the oven for roughly 15 minutes. Now for the pancakes, in a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of milk, just a splash of vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 eggs. Try not to drop the shell. Now whisk it all together to break up the yolks and combine everything. Now add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now whisk it all together so it forms a nice batter. Now you're either going to oil up a frying pan or a griddle. Now you're going to scoop the batter onto the griddle one by one, forming pancakes. I like mine to be about 4 to 5 inches across. You can tell they're ready to flip when they start forming little bubbles on top. Look at how perfect those turned out. The bacon is now done and it is cooked to perfection. Now the eggs are super simple. We're going to butter up that same griddle we used for the pancakes and just crack open 2 eggs right on top of that butter. And again, try not to drop a shell. If you like them over easy like me, it won't take more than 30 seconds aside. Now we'll transfer them to our plate with our pancakes and bacon. Now no pancake is complete without butter and syrup, and lots of it. And there you have it, the best meal anyone could ever ask for, brunch. Pancakes, bacon, and eggs.
Pancakes, bacon, eggs, all done. Here's the final product. Pancakes, eggs, bacon. It smells delicious. It looks delicious. Bacon cooked to perfection. Not crispy. Still got some flimsiness to it. Grease is dripping off. Eggs, Well, there's the yolk, just how I like them. Pancakes are light and fluffy. You know what? Those might even be better than what my mom makes. Wow, those are good. Oh, my favorite meal. I love pancakes. Perfect ratio, lots of butter, lots of syrup. Let's try an egg. You can just taste the butter that it was fried in with that runny yolk. So good. Now for the best part, bacon. So good. If you enjoyed watching today's video, make sure to give it a like, comment what else you'd like me to try to cook for you. Subscribe so you can follow along on our journey of cooking whatever it is you want me to cook. I can't get enough of this. I've got about 12 pancakes to eat yet, so I guess I'll see you next time. Peace.